we are sitting in my brand new, very old, slightly musty and smelling of dog, Porsche Cayenne Turbo S. It made the journey back from Birmingham absolutely perfectly. It didn't have any issues, didn't break down, didn't overheat, just managed to cruise. One thing I do need to get sorted pretty much immediately is how this car smells. It is grim. It is really just smelling like old dog. Now, I don't have my carpet cleaner with me. I had to give it back to the person that actually owns it, sadly. So I can't do a wet vac for now. But I bought a bunch of accessories to try and help tame the smell of the dog. First up, we have some Meguiar's Whole Air Refresher. This is like a car air fresher grenade thing that you just turn the car on, set your AC to max, and get the hell out of there. So 2 cans of that. And following the Meguiar's trend, we've got some quick interior detailer wipes just to go around crevices and all that sort of stuff. And next up, we've got, I've already got some Autoglim leather care cleaner stuff, so I've also bought some balm as well for the leather seats so I can clean them and then I can moisturize them as well. We also have some Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. Never used this before. No, it's going to be interesting to see how this one turns out. It's just going to be a spray and wipe down, and hopefully that removes the scrunch. And as I said on my previous video, I treated myself to some detailing brushes. So first up, I'm going to crack these on, get the car started, get that AC venting, and see if this makes my car smell any better.
The seats definitely needed some attention, as the leather was starting to have some deep wrinkles. I sprayed a generous coating of the leather cleaner, then agitated it with my shiny new detailing brushes. After letting the cleaner sit for a few seconds, I wiped it off, then applied the leather balm. This would help keep the leather supple and avoid rips. As I got stuck into cleaning, it became obvious that this car hadn't been cleaned in a long time. I suspect the previous owner used to cart the dogs around and didn't really worry about keeping the interior clean. The more I cleaned, the more scrunch I found. Dog hair, dirt, and debris was deep in every crevice. This was taking far longer than I planned. I thought I might be able to get away with a quick clean, but this was turning into a full, deep clean. But I had a hunch it would be worthwhile. This interior, whilst dirty, was in good condition, and I'm sure with a little bit of work, it's going to look great.
And what a difference we've made to this Cayenne. This car smells so much better, and it looks a lot better too, but most importantly, it smells better. Is the dog smell completely gone? No, there's no way those 2 cans of aerosol could really get rid of entrenched dog smell. I'm gonna have to get probably a wet vac and possibly also an ozone machine in here to really put that dog smell to bed. But for now, it is more than acceptable. And the rest of the car has come up really nice. All things considered, this looks in fantastic condition for 162,000 miles. The seat leather is now supple and ready to go for the rest of the year. I'm really excited about this car. I think it's awesome. Let me know what you think in the comments. And with that, we're done with another episode. If you watched this far, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you consider liking and subscribing. And with that, I'll catch you down the road.